How do ticks pierce the skin of their host? Let's take a closer look using a scanning electron microscope. Ticks are arachnids. However, unlike spiders, their bodies aren't segmented in any way. Adult ticks have 8 legs, each covered in short, spiny hairs with a tiny claw at the end. These hairs and claws allow them to grasp their hosts, leaves, branches, and other vegetation. Ticks use their mouthparts to pierce the skin of their hosts and extract blood. These mouthparts can vary from species to species, but in general, a tick's mouth includes 2 palps, which move out of the way during feeding and don't pierce the host's skin, 2 chelicerae, which cut through the host's skin, 1 barbed needle-like hypostome. A hard tick has a shield-like plate called a scutum that covers part of its back. Many hard tick species also have festoons, which are bumpy ridges along the back part of the tick. Some ticks secrete a cement-like substance with their saliva, which makes it even harder to remove the feeding tick. The saliva also keeps the host's blood from clotting while the tick eats. As a tick eats, its body or idiosoma expands, although the amount of expansion varies.